Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and press that bell to get all the latest news and updates from my channel. Wedding is a special day for both bride as well as groom, as it's a promise made for each other for lifetime. Come, let's have a look at the video for more details. Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh tied the knot in Gurudwara in Delhi yesterday. The couple's Anand Karaj ceremony was held in Delhi. Neha and Rohanpreet were twinning in pink on their wedding day. Tony Kakkar can be seen dancing on dole beads with his family. Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet were seen posing hands in hands, and Neha looked beautiful in peach color lehenga with golden and magenta embroidery. She had completed her look with a traditional red chuda. Rohanpreet Singh wore a peach sherwani and a golden turban. The couple even exchanged garlands in front of the media. The couple looked happy as people throw flowers at them. In the video showed Neha and Rohanpreet performing their Anand Karaj ceremony in Gurudwara wedding in the presence of their family members. Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet looked stunning as bride and groom. The couple looks all adorable and gives royal vibes at their wedding ceremony. After having a traditional Anand Karaj ceremony at Gurudwara, Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh had a grand wedding at a plush hotel in the capital, and the pictures and the videos from the same are currently going viral. Neha, who seemed like wearing a pink Sabyasachi for her Gurudwara wedding, was seen in a gorgeous red lehenga for the function during the late evening, and on the other hand, Rohanpreet went for a dusty pink and maroon embroidery sherwani. Neha and Rohanpreet exchanged the garlands and took over the dance floor to perform on their recently released song titled Nehu Davya. So in one of the videos, Neha was seen making a grand entry at the venue by sitting in a huge chariot, and even Rohanpreet's entry video shows a royal celebration. For the grand wedding reception, the singer can be seen looking lovely in a red lehenga paired with a dupatta. Unlike a wedding lehenga, this was heavily embroidered, and she accessorized it with a layered statement neckpiece. Rohanpreet, on the other hand, color coordinated his outfit and looked sharp. Pictures and videos from Neha and Rohanpreet's big fat wedding surfaced on social media, and they are spreading like a wildfire. The couple also gave some special performances on their big day. Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh recently released a song titled Nehu Davya was playing in the backdrop among other tracks sung by Neha Kakkar. The newlyweds dedicated songs to each other. Neha and Tony Kakkar also sang Mile Ho Tum Humko. Neha Kakkar was seen dancing for Nach Meri Leila song by Tony Kakkar with Avneet Kaur, Anshul and Riaz. Neha performed for Kudi To Chocolate with Avneet Kaur. She also sang her recently released song Nehu Davya with Rohanpreet Singh. As a part of the celebrations, she also sang a song for Rohanpreet Singh with the lyrics being Is Zuban Pe Rohan Da Naam Hai. The guest list included Manish Paul, Urvashi Rotella, Avneet Kaur, Riaz, Jasmanak, and many others attended Neha Kakkar's wedding. So this was the first celebrity wedding post lockdown. Neha Kakkar and Rohan Preet did a couple dance on the song Mile Ho Tum Humko Bade Naseebo Se, where again the latter went down on his knees and left Neha awestruck. Both of them look adorable with each other. We can see Neha Kakkar and Rohan Preet Singh's happiness is quite evident on their faces. Singers Neha Kakkar and Rohan Preet Singh decked up for their Mehendi ceremony and posted some stunning pictures on social media. Dressed in an Anita Dongre lehenga, Neha looked like the most gorgeous bride ever, while Rohan Preet once again color coordinated his outfits with his bride. The couple has reportedly registered their marriage in Delhi on Friday. For their Haldi ceremony, Neha Kakkar and Rohan Preet look straight out of a fairy tale. While Neha looks every bit of gorgeous in a yellow sari and Rohan Preet Singh looks dashing in a yellow and white kurta set. Neha Kakkar shared some beautiful pictures on her social media with the hashtag Nehudavya. Singer Neha Kakkar, who has given Bollywood several hit tracks, tied the knot in a grand ceremony yesterday. The pre-wedding festivities began a few days back with full pomp and show, and last night the couple became man and wife officially. Pictures from their pre-wedding ceremonies have gone viral on social media as Neha Kakkar and her husband Rohan Preet Singh look absolutely adorable together and so in love. So this was when Neha Kakkar and Rohan Preet Singh ring ceremony, and they danced. So here were some of the pictures and videos from their wedding ceremony that took place in Delhi, and these pictures and videos have been floating online, and Neha and Rohan Preet Singh can be seen having a great time together on their big day. Wedding is a very special day for the bride as well as the groom, as it's a promise made for lifetime. So we wish Neha Kakkar and Rohan Preet Singh a very happy married life and bless them with lots of love and happiness. Wishing Neha and Rohan Preet a very happy married life, and that's it for today's video. If you like the video, please hit that like button, share the video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye guys.